This video is yoga for triceps. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to do a brief video that a beginner could do that will help you build up tricep strength. Ladies, don't want the bat wing going on, and even if it is, we can fix that. We can strengthen the muscles there. The triceps need to be strong in order to work in conjunction with the biceps. To begin, we are going to come to the side of our mat, kind of stretch out long ways, and we're going to bend our legs. We're going to bring our hands back behind our hips with our fingertips pointed forward. We're going to say hi to Simba. Is that about today? So try to have the hands right under the shoulders. We're going to squeeze the elbows together. We're going to push our heels into the floor, and we're going to lift up our hips. And we're just going to do little pulses where we squeeze our elbows together, slowly lower ourselves down. Just a little bit at a time. Engage the core, engage the pelvic floor, working more than one muscle group here. Just go up and down, up and down, up and down. You can do it. Just keep at it. All right, we're almost there. Good job. Another thing that we can do is a variation of boat pose where we just squeeze our elbows together, slowly lower ourselves down, engage the core, and then push ourselves back up, coming up as much as we can. Exhale, slowly come down. Inhale, come back up. Again. Exhale down, inhale back up. We'll do two more. This can feel like the longest 5 minutes of your life, huh? Good job. Now slowly come to your knees. Bring the right hand under the shoulder. That right leg can come back behind you if you've not done a lot of yoga. Stretch the left leg out, bring the left arm up. Supported side plank. We want to really activate this right arm, this arm that's pushing into the mat. So just kind of do an external rotation, taking the elbow and just kind of turning it out, activating these upper arm muscles, really pushing the palm of the hand, all of the fingers into the floor. Try to have the arms in alignment with the shoulders. Maybe look up at that arm if you need to. If you would like, you can stack the feet, bringing that left leg out, or sorry, the right leg stacked on top of the left. Make sure the hips are not dipping down. We want to try and keep our body between two pieces of glass here. And then slowly come back to center, and then just bring the knees together, switch sides. Bring the left hand to the floor, stretch the right leg out. Have the toes pointed forward, the big toes especially. Make sure that that lower arm, the right arm, is pushing into the floor. Really make sure that you're activating that arm, kind of spinning the triceps away from you towards the direction that your fingers are pointing. Bring that right arm up. Open up the chest, open up the hips. Having a lot of resistance, having the fingers and the palms of the hand pushing away from the floor, and then just stack the feet. If you like, you don't have to. Maybe for 1 or 2 breaths, see if you can. Make sure the hips don't dip down, keep the core engaged, really activate those obliques. Good job. Then just come back to center. And then drop that right hand back to the mat. We're going to come to a kneeling plank or a regular plank, depending on what your body needs. We're going to tuck the toes under. We're going to pull the elbows into the sides, and we're going to slowly lower ourselves down. We're going to push up for cobra. Push the pelvis into the floor. Slowly come back down and get mentally prepared for a reverse push-up. In chaturanga, you really want to make sure that the elbows are brushing the side. The hand should be right under the shoulders, and we're going to squeeze the elbows in, push ourselves back up. Stay on the knees if you need to. Heck, I am. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come back up. Just do what your body's capable of. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come back up. If you can't make it all the way to the floor, if this is new to you, keep the core engaged. Really activating those muscles. Exhale down. Inhale, back up. 2 more times. Exhale down. Inhale up. 1 last time. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh gosh. Good job. Slowly come back to center. You did it. I knew you could. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, share. You can check me out on Instagram as well. And until next time, my friend, may love and light be yours. Thank you so much. Namaste.